Hello, welcome to this video. Today we will introduce you to our My Mock Score platform, which will make your preparation easier and more effective. At the start, when you click on the Start AI Mock Test button, you will get a glimpse of the community trial scores. Please note, you can only see others' scores in the trial plan. In the paid plan, your result will remain completely private and will not be made public. Now, let's click on Start My Mock Test to begin our test. First, after testing your device's mic and other settings, at the beginning of each dialogue, you will also see the related vocabulary. During the test, you can see the timer. As soon as you click on the Start button, your test will begin. And once you click on the Finish button to submit your recording, you will be able to see what the speaker said and what you could have said. Please note, this is not your final result yet. The actual result will be shown at the end. If you don't wish to see this interim display, you can turn it off as well. If during the dialogue you say something wrong, you can say "correction" to strike out that word or line and repeat it correctly. Such mistakes will not be included in your final result. Once the entire dialogue is finished, as soon as you click the Get Result button, your result will begin to generate, which takes about 1-2 minutes. Here you can view your score. Remember, meaning similarity is the most important factor. To achieve a good score, keeping the penalty low is essential. You will also be able to see where you used English words within Hindi. These words will automatically be added to the My Collection section of your vocabulary page, where you can review them daily. Below, you will get each slide in detail, what the speaker said, what you said, along with your recording. You can play your recording here to listen again. In each slide, you will also see suggestions, meaning similarity, grammar, score penalty, and AI feedback on how you can improve your score. In this way, after every test you will gain more confidence and be able to prepare even better.